Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a splash screen which we started building with Flutter. I will be guiding you through the process step by step. Firstly, let's understand what a splash screen is. A splash screen is the first screen that a user sees when they open an app. It is usually an image or a logo with a loading animation that appears while the app loads. A splash screen helps to create a great user experience that is beneficial for the developers. Now, let's move on the practical part. Create a splash screen for your Noor Quran app. You will need to create the splash screen.dart class. Firstly, we start our splash screen with the import material. To use the images and the assets and the fonts, you have to download the assets, which I will provide the link in the description. I am simply returning a scaffold widget with the background color of app colors, your primary color, which is actually a green color, and in body we will pass it column, inside which we will pass expanded widget, and then we will use our other widgets, which are images, tag, positioned, align widget. We will discuss it very soon. So here are the main axis alignment dot center and cross axis alignment dot center to make our design the center of the screen. That looks pretty beautiful. Alignment matters a lot. This increases the quality of user experience. Here I am simply returning a container that will handle our main logo. Inside its decoration, as you know, a decoration, box decoration, and it has decoration image. Then we can use this image to display. Here I am using text which contains light of Quran, and in style we use app colors dot white style dot copy with. For example, we can change our font size, font color, etc. Our logo. We can type its address. You can download the assets from the description below. I have provided the link. If you have your own logo, then you can use it also. Here I am using some sized box for some padding between the text and the image, our main logo. Now we can use this image widget and wrap it inside the opacity with 0.6. Yes, 0.2 is fine. Then we can wrap it in align so that it aligns to the bottom of the screen. Align with its property align dot alignment dot bottom center. We have to change this title, and we can remove bold banner that shows up on the screen. You can make the text black and other things. So we have to wrap it in expanded widget, but we are still getting an error. So we can change our stateless widget to a stateful widget. Then we can check it is giving us error. We are using expanded 2 times, so we have to remove it, then it will be work fine. And if you haven't watched my previous video on how to set up Flutter project of Noor Quran, then you can watch that video and then come to here. If you like my videos, then please like it and leave a comment subscribe my channel. Change this timer to the timer dot period to the timer because timer dot period is different thing and timer itself is different. We will design our onboarding screen in the next tutorial. I am simply returning it a stateless widget. Remove this bracket which is giving us error so that our error should be gone. Yes, now it is gone. Simply run it again. So we will integrate it in the better way with Firebase. We will check if user is login, then it will go to the home screen, and if it is not, then it will bring the user to the onboarding screen. And there you have it. You have successfully created a splash screen for your Noor app. As you can see, our app goes on to the next screen after waiting 2 seconds on the splash screen. A simple yet effective feature that can enhance the overall user experience of your app. So I hope found this tutorial helpful. Please subscribe my channel and I will see you soon in the next video.